Okay, Thursday, October 6th. I'm buying some SPY puts, the 377 puts at 433. And I bought it here on this is the 1 minute chart. I'll move this yellow line. That was an earlier trade where I bought calls here and then took a small gain. And now I'm buying puts right in this area. What I wanted to see was after it came down and took out the intraday low and this little this little pre-market area pivot, if it was going to just immediately pause and head up higher. I didn't expect it to, and once I saw it just pausing here and not going up, I decided to buy the puts here, anticipating we're going to take out those pre-market lows at a minimum, which is back here, and then kind of see if we break out of the range to the downside today. I still know I'm in a range. If I look at the 15-minute chart, I see a potential failure here on this upside breakout with a 2 down bar. I still, I'm just going to anticipate, given this opening price action, that possibly we're failing, and at least to take out, again, the low of this range, and then to see if we follow through or not. It would be a lot to, well, at this point, it's still tough to say if we're going to get a big down day developing, even though we have this opening structure here that kind of failed to the upside and went 2 down. I think it should be enough to try the downside of the range, again, similar to the way we tried the upside of the range, and see if maybe today we break out to the downside and kind of fill this gap. That's kind of what opening price action is telling us. So I'm going to give it a shot here again, but I'll keep it tight, just like this trade, because, I like to, kind of, when I have these ranges, again, as I described in a previous video, I like to do the trades kind of before the breakout, which gives you an opportunity, to either, you're in ahead of time, so you have a little cushion in case you don't break out. So anyway, 15-minute chart definitely heading lower at the moment. Let's see if we head to the bottom of the blue bar, which, there's still room to move to the bottom of yesterday where we did bring in buying down here. So it's just a matter of breaking out of that blue line, which would give me enough cushion to determine, whether or not this day is going to be a big down day or not. And the options, I bought them at 433. They're moving up to 440 right now, so they're slowly moving up. But I really want to see these 15-minute bars, continue lower and attempt to break out here lower of the bottom end of that pre-market range.